Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be going over the Forbright Bank High Yield Savings Account. We're going to be reviewing this, and I'll be completely honest about the pros and cons. Now, first of all, the absolute standout feature for me is this APY, 4.25% as of early July 2025, and it's among, the highest, significantly higher than most traditional savings account. This means that your money genuinely grows faster. Okay? And I also appreciate the fact that there are no, monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements to earn that top APY. This makes it incredibly accessible for anyone, regardless of how much you're starting with. Plus, they offer you unlimited transfers from the savings account, which I think, is a nice flexibility. Okay. And they have a unique and compelling aspect, which is their mission driven approach. Okay. They basically invest in, clean energy projects. So that is also a nice thing that I like about them. Their mobile app, well rated, easy to use. Now we'll go over the not so good stuff, okay? There are a few downsides. First of all, this bank, it is online only, okay? With very, very limited physical branches. They only have them in Maryland and Virginia. This means there's no ATM access or debit card for your savings account. You cannot deposit cash directly. All these transactions are typically done via ACH transfers that are linked to an external account, which can actually take a few business days. So keep that in mind while you're making your decision. And by the way, while there are no monthly fees, as you can see, right, you will actually encounter fees for wire transfers, both incoming and outgoing, and even overdrafts. Okay. And I have seen actually some users reporting that their website for withdrawals, it can be a bit old. Sometimes it's not as seamless as other online banks. Okay. The APY, though, it's great, but it is a variable rate. This APY is a variable rate, so it can fluctuate with the market conditions, but still, it will be one of the higher ones. So keep that in mind while you're making a decision. Otherwise, if you found this review helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.